So, and this is the final version, where the silicone, just to avoid this spark, worst case something broke. But mainly, here is the silicone, here and here, to make this fix against the vibration. And what I did next is I already make here the open window to be able use this for the aluminium from the below, because I will have here the aluminium cooler also. I will use this for the mountain board, so it's the reason. And also I cut here these corners, put it here on the side to, now you can see here, to be here completely covered the MOSFET, and on this other side also that there is a contact for this heat distributing foam on the top of the MOSFETs. So this is my tuning.